Welcome back, my beautiful people. How you guys doing this morning? This morning I'm here. I'm wetting them herbs. You know, after that cold weather come and do its damage. I mean, I gotta be grateful because they're still standing. So today I'm just trying to wet them. But the sun is really hot today. Sun is really hot. These are some new herbs I added. This one is a I'm not even sure what it is. It's a Gregano. There, this one is a cat plant. This one is a no catnip, and they have a cat close to it. So I think this cat like it. Cat like to be around it. But anyhow, these are two herbs I added to my herb garden, and I have a lot more herbs over the other side, but this is just where I can just walk outside and just pick some herb. These are my okra. You see the coldness, you see what the coldness did to them? The coldness dried them out. But since the weather changed, I noticed some life start to run back up inside them. Like they start looking green. I don't know if you can see that. You see? Some greenness start coming back. I'm so grateful because I already set these seeds. I like to be ahead. So the earlier I set your seed, the further ahead you are. So now I gotta go and reset some seed because I don't think I have enough here. But for what I'm looking at now, I'm noticing some of them start getting back green, which is pushing life. Okay, these are the English mint. Oh, look how beautiful that mint looking. Yeah, these are the English mint. This is another mint right here. This all these is good for seasoning, you know. You can eat them. This one you can eat this. This one is a sage. You know, you can just eat them raw, and they're very tasty and healthy for you at the same time. This is my parsley. This is my celery growing here. Start to look nice. I don't know if you notice, this is my lemon tree. It start pushing back out leaf. And these are, oh, these looking nice. These ready to pick. This is very beautiful. Yeah. I have some potato here. I'm soaking in water because the time is going and I need to get them in the earth. So I'm trying to put them in water that they could push them out faster. These are my eggplants. This thing was full, but because of the weather, a lot of them died. But I still have enough here that I can plant. I still have enough, so I'm feeling blessed about that. Yes, guys, so how you all doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing fine. Guys, the giveaway is on the 16th of this month, and I want you guys to just continue posting your comment, liking the video. Please like the video. If you like the videos, give them that thumbs up. Hit the notification bell that you can always receive updates and future videos. Share the videos if you can. You might know somebody who like these kind of stuff. Just share the video to them. Share the channel. If you don't think you're not in need, there's always somebody in need. You know what I'm saying? So it mightn't be you, but somebody else might need the knowledge, or somebody else might need whatever is offering. Maybe some people might need it at the time, but so don't mind sharing the video to somebody. Sharing the channel, support the channel, because this channel is about teaching how to grow, teaching how to take care, and also healthy tips that can keep us healthy. You know what I'm saying? How you guys doing on the hot water challenge? I'm not hearing you guys comment about the hot water challenge, so it making me believe that you guys not taking place. This is not for me, guys. This is for your own benefit. Okay? So that's up to you. But I just hope you guys could participate in it, because it will help you in many ways. Yes, guys. So I appreciate you guys. You guys been supporting my channel. All who been commenting, all who been liking the videos. I mean, I appreciate you guys, because you guys have me still posting up to today. You know, I remember when I had maybe like 5 subscribers, and I always have one person was always comment. Nobody else. I wasn't getting no comment. I wasn't getting no like. But that one person motivate me to post over 100 and something videos with my garden today. I have over 100 and something, close to 150 videos on my channel. So you guys need to check out my channel. Go back and watch my videos them and see how far and how long I've been posting videos. So just support the channel. Support the channel. And I want to give a shout out to all these people who out there doing videos about gardening, because this is really helpful for other people, because a lot of people didn't even think about gardening until they start seeing videos about gardening. You don't need the land. All you need is some containers. I mean, you ain't even got to go on crazy and buy no crazy container. You could just pick up containers that can hold dirt and plant some vegetable, plant some herb, plant, you know, like a potato in a pot. All these things you can do. So I give a shout out to all these people who out there teaching how to plant and how to care for your garden. I know everybody have their own way, because once you planting, you're gonna learn different tricks. So I know everybody have their own way. I have my own way. So I cannot tell you that this person way is not the right way, because everybody have their own experience with their plants. I know for me, the right way I always harvest, and my plants them always grow, always looking healthy. So this is why I recommend my way. But I'm not saying my way is the only way. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Support the video with the kids them planting. Thank you guys for everything.